Hello and welcome to the Digital Connoisseur. This week we're going to be looking at the Hive Radiator Valves, something which I think was missing from their lineup. Firstly, I'd like to state that this isn't a sponsored review. I bought this product with my own money and it's installed in my house. Packaging on the outside looks great. It says quite clearly on the front here, you never have to heat an empty room again with our smart radiator valve. Well, hopefully that's going to be the case. With this product, you can control individual radiators and set schedules from the Hive app. It works with or without the Hive thermostat and has a very ultra-quiet motor that controls it all. To open the box, simply remove the sticker on the side here. You cut that away. Once you've cut that away, you can just simply open up the box and it reveals on top a guide manual. You don't really need this. Most of the information on how to install the product can be found in the Hive app, as it will talk you through step by step. This is the adapter guide, which helps select which adapter in the box fits your radiator. Here is the Hive radiator valve itself. It is of high quality, has a thread on the bottom there, so you can screw on one of the two adapters, whichever one fits your radiators. These are located in the box. Inside the box you've got two adapters here for different types of radiator. You've got two batteries and also an Allen key. Inside the box you literally have everything you need to install these radiator valves. The first thing you're going to need to do though is to load up the Hive app. This will guide you step by step through the installation process. Once you've loaded up the Hive app, you click on the menu and you go down to Install Devices. Click on this and then select the device you want to install, which today is the radiator valve. Once you've done this, it'll tell you what's in the box. Next, you'll have to unscrew the current radiator valve, which in my case was just a simple thread at the bottom there, and it came straight off. From there I had to identify which valve I had, but as I could see it was a screw thread. I selected that, then using the adapter plate, placed that on top, and then selected the option that referred to that. The app then suggested that the M30 adapter was the one I required, and so all I had to do was to screw that into the valve itself. Next I had to take the cover off the radiator valve itself so that I could add batteries and power the thing up. Just insert the two AA provided batteries into the product and the device will automatically turn on. Next you put the cover back on, make sure it's in the right place and you will feel it until it clicks. Next you need to screw the radiator valve itself onto the radiator until it makes a clicking sound, and once it's done that you can then turn it back towards you so you can see. Now you just need to search for it on the app, rename the room and then choose which zone it's in. It's that simple. Once you've completed that, it will light up. The app itself now shows that I've got a guest room there and I can rename it as necessary. There's loads of extra features on there. I haven't had a chance to look at them yet, but it's all fully integrated and it will mean now that I can control each room temperature just like I control my main heating, selecting from the app, and it will send an update to it and cut it off at that temperature once it reaches it. As it's 25 degrees outside at the moment, I don't think there's much chance of me testing this properly, at least for a couple more months. But overall, I'm very happy with the investment I've made in this, and I do think it was something that Hive was missing. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, so please do subscribe, like and share the content. If you've got any questions, do put them in the comments below. And until next time, hope you've enjoyed the Digital Connoisseur.